Good morning, students. Now, today is the same topic, equation of the line, right? Yesterday I have discussed what is the equation of line in one-point formula, what is the equation of line in standard form. Then equation of line in standard form, that is x minus x1 upon e equals to y minus y1 upon b equals to z minus z1 upon c. That is the second form equation of line in two-point form, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Now, then angle between two line, shorter distance. Now today is the first thing, कोई भी लाइन अगर आपके सामने कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में and now change into reduce into vector form. So now look here, this is equation of line, equation of the given line. Now this line is in Cartesian form and now convert into vector form, right? Student, the Cartesian equation of a line, right, is given and write in its vector form. So now equation of line is given x minus x1, that means x minus 5 upon 3, y plus 4 upon 7, z minus 6 upon 2. This is the equation of line in Cartesian form. You know, student, equation of line in Cartesian form, x minus x1 upon a equals to y minus y1 upon b equals to z minus z1 upon c. This form is Cartesian form. अब इसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है वेक्टर फॉर्म में. यू नो स्टूडेंट, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन वेक्टर फॉर्म, वेक्टर आर इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस लैम्डा बी. और फर्स्ट थिंग, लेट लैम्डा, आप इसको लैम्डा के इक्वल सपोज करो. अगर फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट x माइनस 5 upon 3 equals to lambda, that means what are the value of x? 3 is a cross multiply, then x equals to 3 lambda plus 5. Same thing is the second chord, y plus 4 upon 7 equals to lambda, then y coordinate is 7 lambda minus 4. That is the third thing, z minus 6 upon 2 equals to lambda, then z equals to 2 lambda plus 6. This is x, y, z. अब आपको इसको वेक्टर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना. यू नो स्टूडेंट, वेक्टर आर, व्हाट इज वेक्टर आर? इज अ फिक्स्ड x I कैप प्लस y j कैप प्लस z k कैप. Then now substitute x, y, z. X is a 3 lambda plus 5. I cap as it is. Y coordinate is a 7 lambda minus 4 j cap and z coordinate is a 2 lambda plus 6 k cap. And now arrange, that is a without lambda, 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap, then 5 I cap minus 4 j cap and plus 6 k cap. ये without lambda एक साथ लिख दिया हमने. Plus is the coefficient of lambda, that is a 3 I cap. Lambda is common, 7 j cap and 2 k cap. So this is the equation of line in vector form. Vector r equals to vector a plus lambda vector b. यानी कि अगर आपको कार्टेशियन से वेक्टर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना, लेट लैम्डा सपोज करके एक्स वाई जेड कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल के और वेक्टर आर में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए. बट नाउ वेक्टर टू कार्टेशियन में अगर कन्वर्ट करना हो तो नाउ राइट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ वेक्टर आर. दिस इज एक्स आई कैप प्लस वाई जे कैप प्लस जेड के कैप एंड नाउ इक्वेटिंग द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आई कैप, जे कैप एंड के कैप, राइट, दैट इज द कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. नाउ लुक हियर स्टूडेंट, yesterday I have already discussed कि is another question, question number 12. There are equation of two lines are given and find the value of lambda. But when two lines are cut at right angle, that means is the two lines are perpendicular. What are the conditions? Yesterday I have discussed two lines are perpendicular and two lines are parallel. What is the condition of two lines are perpendicular? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. And two lines are parallel, then condition is A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. Now question number 12, equation of lines, equation of the given lines are, one is the 1 minus x upon 3, 7y minus 14 upon 2p and z minus 3 upon 2, this is equation of first line, and equation of another line 7 minus 7x upon 3p equals to y minus 5 upon 1 and equals to 6 minus z upon 5. And now find the value of find the value of p where p is a constant. Now show that these two lines are at right angle. Right angle, that means two lines are perpendicular. So student, what are the condition? Two line. Now according to question, that means is given two lines are perpendicular. That is condition A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. You know student, A1 B1 C1 are the direction ratio of first line and A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratio of second line. But first thing, then line is not symmetric form. So first thing, symmetric form. You know student, symmetric form, that means x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. This is symmetric form, right? X coordinate positive 1 होना चाहिए. So now negative sign, both the side multiplied by minus 1 numerator and denominator. So x minus 1 upon minus 3. सेम इसके y का कोफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए, डिवाइडिंग बाय 7, दैट इज y माइनस 7 टू 14 and then 2p by 7, dividing by 7 numerator and denominator. And third is also symmetric form z minus 3 upon 2, right? Same second line को अगर symmetric form में करना है, dividing by minus 7, that is the x minus 1 upon minus 3p by 7. Dividing by 7, that is 1 minus x, but minus sign is common, that is a minus 3 by 7. And now second is also symmetric form, y minus 5, but this is again minus 1 से multiply करेंगे, z minus 6 upon minus 1. So this is symmetric form, x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. What are the direction ratio of first line? A1, B1, C1 are direction ratio. A1 is the minus 3, B1 is the 2p by 7, C1 is this. And A2, B2, C1, this is A2, B2, C2. So now substitute A1 is minus 3, A2 minus 3p by 7, B1 2p by 7, B2 1, C1 2 and C2 is minus 5. Then is a minus minus plus 3, this is a 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7 and 2 5s are 10 plus minus minus 10, then transfer plus 10. So 9 plus 2, 11p upon 7 equals to 10, then p equals to, now cross multiply, right, then 70 upon 11, this is the value of p. So उस कंडीशन में हमने कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करी जब हमारे सामने टू लाइन आर परपेंडिकुलर. सुन, अब हम आपको लास्ट 4 क्वेश्चन 14, 15, 16, 17. Last 4 questions are totally depend on shortest distance between two skew lines, right? Two in vector form and one is the Cartesian form, right? सबसे पहले हम आपको vector form बताएंगे. Equation of two lines are given, right? And find the shortest distance between two skew lines. Student, सबसे पहले मैं आपको clear कर दे what are the skew lines. Skew lines, that means two lines are not parallel and not intersect. That means these two lines, this is two lines, right? और ये इनके बीच की shortest distance, this is PQ. आपको ये distance find करनी है, shortest distance between two skew lines. Now first thing is question number 14. Then equation of two lines are given. Equation of the lines are, first line vector r equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda I cap minus j cap plus k cap. This is the equation of first line in vector form, and equation of second line 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus nu, this is nu lambda की जगह 2I cap plus j cap and plus 2k cap. Now there are two lines, equation of two lines are given in vector form, and find the shortest distance between two skew lines. So first thing, what are the formula of shortest distance between two lines, between two skew lines? Every year one question is confirmed, is depend on shortest distance. Now look here, then shortest distance between two lines. Then formula denoted by D, formula vector B1 cross vector B2. Vector B1 cross vector B2 dot vector A2 minus vector A1 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2 and whole mod. Distance is always positive. Now look here student, this is formula. The first thing, now what is A1, what is A2? एक लाइन का वेक्टर फॉर्म होता है वेक्टर R इक्वल्स टू A प्लस लैम्डा P. फर्स्ट लाइन से what are the vector A is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Vector A is a passing through point and vector B is a coefficient of lambda. This is direction ratio of this line. So vector B is a I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Same thing is another line. Vector A is a 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap and vector B is 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now look here student, this is the first line that denoted by vector A1, vector B1 and second line from vector B, A2, vector B2. Now formulate according, first thing now find vector A2 minus vector A1. You know student vector A2 minus vector A1, this is vector A2, this is vector. दो vector को subtract करना हो, that is 2I minus I, that is I cap, minus j minus 2j minus 3j cap and minus k minus 2k cap. This is the value of A2 minus A1. Now find B1 cross B2. दो वेक्टर का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं यूजिंग डिटरमिनेंट. वेक्टर फर्स्ट रो में दैट इज आई कैप जे कैप एंड के कैप, फर्स्ट रो एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो. एलिमेंट ऑफ सेकेंड रो वेक्टर B1 then 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1 is the coefficient of I cap j cap k cap and vector B2 is a 2 1 2 2 1 2. And now simply by expanding along R1, now first row first column minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3I cap, right. First row second column 2 minus 2 0 and 2 minus 2 0. First row third column 1 plus 2, that is 3k cap, 1 plus 2, right. Now look here, this is B1 cross B2, but now find the magnitude of B1. You know student, किसी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड अंडर रूट स्क्वायर ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ आई कैप, स्क्वायर ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जे कैप, स्क्वायर ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ के कैप. 9 plus 9 18, 18 का स्क्वायर रूट 9 2s are 18, that is 3 root 2. And now substitute all values in this formula. What is the shortest distance B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2? Then B1 cross B2 is minus 3I cap minus 0 j cap plus 3k cap. This is the value of B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 is the I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap upon magnitude of B1 cross B2 is a 3 root 2. That means now dot product of this, dot product सबको आता है. To have dot product of two vectors, I dot I, j dot j and k dot k is 1, right. So minus 3 plus 1, that is a minus 3. Whole mod as it is, 0 into 3, that is 0. And 3 into minus 2, that is a minus 6 whole mod upon 3 root 2. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, but mod A, that is a positive. So 9 upon 3 root 2. Then 3 3s are 9. Now 3 upon root 2, right. This is the shortest distance between two lines. So student, shortest distance between two lines, it is clear. Now suppose अगर आपके सामने इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में, कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, राइट, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन in given Cartesian form and find the shortest distance between two lines. Cartesian form में formula आपका क्या होगा? First thing, now what are the formula of shortest distance between two skew lines in Cartesian form? This is vector form. Now Cartesian form, vector form, there are 3 questions, 14, 16 and 17. But now the equation of given line in Cartesian form, question number is 15. Then Cartesian form x plus 1 upon 7, y plus 1 upon minus 6 and z plus 1 upon 1 is another line x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 5 upon minus 2 and z minus 7 upon 1. Equation of given line, what is the formula of shortest distance between two skew line? Is a very simple formula is determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus 1. Element of first row a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. this is very very important formula कि अगर ये डिटरमिनेंट का अगर इस डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 आती है तो दैट इज अ कंडीशन टू लाइन आर कोप्लेनर. यू नो स्टूडेंट, टू लाइन आर कोप्लेनर दैट मीन्स दोनों लाइन प्लेन में एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, राइट. उस कंडीशन में अगर इस डिटरमिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 आती है तो दैट इज टू लाइन आर कोप्लेनर, राइट. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग कि डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आता है, अंडर रूट. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस एस डी, राइट. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम को सॉल्व करते हो तो को फैक्टर आता है b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1, b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम a1 c2 माइनस a2 c1 होल स्क्वायर एंड फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम दैट इज a1 b2 माइनस a2 b1 का होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. होल मॉड डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, राइट. अब सबसे पहले इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई करने के लिए फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ फाइंड डायरेक्शन रेशियो. यू नो स्टूडेंट, डायरेक्शन रेशियो a1 b1 c1 इज द डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ फर्स्ट लाइन 7 minus 6 and 1 are a1 7 b1 minus 6 and c1 is 1. Now a2 is a 1, b2 is minus 2 and c2 is 1. Right, this is the direction ratio of first line, this is the direction ratio of second line. But now find x1 y1, x1 y1 z1. This is x1 is minus 1, y1 is minus 1 and z1 is minus 1. Why? ये फॉर्मूला होता है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती है x minus x1 upon a, right. So x1 is minus 1. Now x2 is 3, y2 is second line से that is 5 and z2 is 7, right. Now substitute this formula, apply this is determinant upon under root. Now look here, अब आपको simplify apply कैसे करना है इस फॉर्मूले को. फर्स्ट थिंग x2 minus x1, this is x2 3 और minus 1, यानी कि x2 minus x1 that is 3 minus plus 1 that is 4, right. y2 minus 1 y minus 5 minus 1 6 and 7 plus 1 8. a1 b1 c1, a1 is a 7, a2 is a minus 6 and b2 is a 1 and a2 b2 c2 1 minus 2 and 1. now उसके अंदर ये लिखना आपको, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम को सॉल्व करते हो तो आपके पास माइनर क्या आता है, माइनस 6 प्लस 2, माइनस 6 प्लस 2 दैट इज माइनस 6 प्लस 2 दैट मीन्स माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर 16. First row second column 7 minus 1 that is 6 and the square of 6 is 36, right. And first row third column minus 14 plus 6 that is a minus 8 square is 64, right. Now first thing then apply first row first column, right. So ऊपर वाले डिटरमिनेंट को सॉल्व करना, एक्सपेंडिंग अलोंग फर्स्ट टू फर्स्ट कॉलम दैट इज स्मॉल a111 कैपिटल A11, first row first column minus 6 plus 2 that is a minus 4 plus first row second column, now small a1 to 6, first row second column 7 minus 1 is 6 but is now right is cofactor is minus 6. First row third column that is minus 14 plus 6 that is a minus 8 and whole mod upon under root 36 60 plus 30 90 90 plus 1 400, right. 100 plus 116. now above term minus 14 minus 16 minus 36 minus 64, right. root 116 whole mod then negative is positive right? That is the root 116 is the shortest distance. So student, please solve exercise 11.1, 11.2, right? Execution of line will been completed, right? So any problem, please contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.